6 things to keep in mind before you buy any disinfectant. First of all, it should be non-corrosive, inexpensive and effective. It should be broad spectrum and should not cause deterioration of the object to which it is applied. It should not be harmful to human beings and animals. It should have a deodorizing effect. It must be soluble in water and safe to use. It should not cause any kind of pollution when disposed of in the environment. So what are our weapons against germs? Definitely not missiles, right? We use disinfectants. So disinfecting uses chemicals to kill 99.9% of germs on hard non-porous surfaces or objects. We should remember killing germs on contact whenever the disinfectant is wet, and it is a temporary process. We need to do it again and again. So Cuckoo's DIY disinfectant solution generator, which is now available in India. DIY disinfectant solution generator quickly electrolyzes ordinary tap water. How it works? HOCl water, when comes in contact with the cell membrane of a bacteria, any bacteria, it destroys the cell membrane, after which the bacteria gets deactivated or killed by this HOCl water. So this same process is used in phagocytosis, which is white cell killing bacteria. Whenever bacteria invades our body, these white cells, they destroy bacteria using hypochlorous acid. It is an powerful oxidant and is 100 times more efficient in killing microbial pathogens than sodium hypochlorite, that is chlorine bleach. About safety of HOCl, it is used in as a surface sanitization. Compared to quartz, it is much safer. Hypochlorous acid can be used continuously throughout the workday, regardless of whether food is exposed. In direct food sanitization, when compared to ozone has to be applied continuously and it leaves into the air, which causes lung irritation. While hypochlorous acid is non-irritant and also stable in solution, hypochlorous acid can be used at high concentration for food sanitization without requiring a post rinse. Regarding food safety, there is probably no food sanitizer more researched and more understood than hypochlorous acid. The research clearly demonstrates that hypochlorous acid is safe and efficient for ensuring microbial counts at maintained below infection level on food and contact surfaces. Cuckoo DIY disinfectant solution generator is easy to use. We have to just pour tap water into the generator, press start button and spray on the surfaces. It produces 99.9% sterilization and deodorization only with water. Where it can be used, we can spray on surfaces in bedrooms, over bed sheets, over sofa sets, on soft toys, kitchen tops, utensils, cutlery items, washing fruits and vegetables, bathroom faucets, electronic gadgets, car dashboards, pet house. Only with water, 99.9% sterilization and deodorization. Product is tested for sterilizing bacteria. You can see before sterilization and after sterilization pictures over here. Product is also tested for deodorization. Worried about pesticide residues? Cuckoo DIY DSG HOCl water can be used to wash away pesticide residues from fruits and vegetables and then be eaten with confidence. Residual pesticide removal test reveals Product can remove 89% of pesticide residue. It has two modes. By pressing power on off button one time, 3-minute mode is activated, which produces HOCl water at normal concentration. If you want a stronger concentration, you can press twice power button. It will activate 6-minute mode, which produces powerful disinfectant. Go ahead, make your companion. This product is portable. You can keep it on your table. You can charge using any USB cable. Using power banks, it charges in 3 to 4 hours. This product is made from BPA-free materials. It has completely detachable structure for easy cleaning. The 3-stage separation structure enables cleaning the electrolytic sterilizer body, head and water tank. Base is compatible with PET bottles, which are found in every home. It has semi-automatic spray which maximizes usability. So it can be sprayed farther and wider with just one simple pumping. Metal's triple electrode produces strong disinfectant solution in a short time. You can check the process of DIY disinfectant generator at a glance. When the product lights up blue LED, the solution is ready to use, and if red light is blinking, it requires charging. Always clean space with Cuckoo's DIY disinfectant solution generator. If you like this product, do share this information video with your friends and relatives. As disinfecting solution can be manufactured semi-permanently using device, it is comparatively more economical than ordinary disinfectant products available in the market. I have did comparison based on house with 4 to 6 persons using disinfectant wipes approx 250 rupees per month, spray bottles approx 250 rupees per month, comes to total 500 rupees per month. So the spend each year is comes about 6,000 rupees. So on second year the amount added goes to 12,000 rupees and 18,000 rupees in the third year, while with this product only 8990 is the initial investment. Thank you.